Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see, set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
And them a say me care, oh me not care come out the back themselves. Eh? Wanna trouble me? Wanna pint up my crab and my can them not good. And my mother send a foundation there. How them gonna put on my uniform? How them gonna put on my uniform? If me can't send them, they're supposed to out because me prepare for this. Me prepare for it. Because I know that the government are shut down. Me not gonna get shut down because I'm a part of the system. Yeah, that's what I want to talk to the mayor. I want to talk to the mayor. I go a while ago, I come from them office and them say I cannot see him. Because I'm afraid to come out because my life has been threatened. Social media, what the enemy. Me wrong for release the video. Me know me not wrong for release the video. Me not wrong for release the video. And me a threat me again. Me a threat.
I media set me up, so I say I buy a hot beer and drink with some salt. And by me to reach to the bathroom, I start feeling. And then I take off my clothes and go down on my knees and wipe up myself and come back up.
You've never been in a situation where it come down on you and you have to just do it inside.
It my brother. First.
Oh?
First it happened first.
Yeah, a regular practice. I'll tell it. Look. This are the video when she. This is a white clothes, right? Mm-hmm. This is a different one at the same spot. Mm-hmm. At the same spot. Mm-hmm. You see it? This is our. What color is? Color. This is a different color. This is a different color. A green top and a tie. This is a different color. At the same spot. At the same spot. So I lie that. That could have been a lie.
Have you ever said anything to her about it, her practice?
Majority of the time, me I say, mind the shop. Like, if you come over for you. And by the stalking, it's not going nowhere. It not going nowhere. It not going nowhere. So, to me, say, blame a come for me and me. So, me not take no blame for nobody.
Yes, I. Brothers and sisters, greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty the Emperor Haile Selassie the First. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, you don't know, subscribe and look where grow the platform. You know, see, share, you don't know, we're not deal with no copyright, we're not copyright people because it's a message or you don't know, we don't mind the opinions or the observations is shared. You know, see. So, what a way the crab woman there up a hero circle full of shit like the crab them what she has said. Eh? Now, see there's many layers to examine with a little incident there. Seen and it just goes to show us where the priority, what's the priority within the state, the moral degradation. You know, see, because at the end of the day, it don't matter, you know. I feel like even if somebody purposely rupture our bowels by some other means, then the facts are well then. She want to defecate. See? And the content of her bowel flash pan, the product where she has said, that no good again. And she not an excuse other than for get rid of them there and start fresh. Some just use the incident there, the theory, the scenario there See, for highlight how futile for her justification for what she do is Rasta. Yet still, she feel like say she have grounds to justify such a thing. You get me? And the argument that she use to justify for her actions, Rasta, for her nastiness, is so juvenile. You would say juvenile now, like adult sense. Toddler. Something like, you know, infantile justification that cause of them thing that you expect. I say you expect some little chief, some 5-year-old. And them sort of argument that you expect a 5-year-old to use and justify that. You now expect a big grown-up woman to even feel like so well then she have the fortitude or the authority for do an interview with Rasta and the people them we interview are. It's like them do it on a level whereby, you know, them show compassion towards our action. Because you hear nobody a question for reason them should drink a hot beer with some salt in it and I want to tell you, I said the lady with video it, and they must know, you know. It's very I not to use people video upon this because you don't know, you know, people have a thing for that channel here where, you know, them not call you and tell you so we don't like that or them not email you. YouTube have a system where them can make you know so you have to take it down rather than give you a copyright strike or you know what I say? I struck off. Them people here out there in the world of vlogging. Them have a corrupt mentality towards each other. You know, see, because a guy will quicker want to see a lockdown than see you as a compatriot, you know, the media thing. And then I want to see you strive. No, a guy want to lock you down. Take the opportunity to lock you down quicker than anything else. Someone to use people thing. But we see another video where Nationwide interviewed the lady. We take the video, the incident. And the lady I show them more than one video. With this woman here, I do the same thing over and over, Rasta. Says one of them big Uchi Muma sort of woman there. When I care about the people who she dealing, she don't care about nothing. She just up in a fear, ego. You see? How on earth anybody are gonna do anything like that, Rasta, and expect a different result? Is that the thing, you know? You know, see it? And it's like you literally expect a different result. We don't know where you get the authority from or why you think you feel like, say, the result was gonna be otherwise. The backlash was gonna be otherwise. You know, see it? We don't know what, you know, the people in head, Rasta. We don't know how this is even, you know. We don't say it not possible. This another first, these things happen all the while. All over the world, all type of people. You know. But the fact is, people in themselves know so well then, it's not right. And there is no justification, there's no defense for this. Not even in a court, you go in a court, you just hold on your head and take what punishment that come towards you, and you know, say, boy, I hate that. You see, this is a moral issue where everybody grew up with a certain moral. These are the things where your parents teach you. Apart from before it even becomes a lawful breach. These are things where your parents teach every children when they grow up. You don't see it? Yeah, the bathroom over there, so and the kitchen around so. And you wash your hand when you're done, you know, come in and move, you don't see it. Whereas this woman stand up same place in her kitchen and bust a shit star. And I defend it like so, well then, it accident, not accidental, but that nasty woman where them have pan in the media. I justify it without, any form of counter argument from the people that find themselves in a journalistic position, which is usually the approach. If something that seems right, or even if it's right, you usually present the counter argument towards that so that these people can further deliver justification. But no, not even that. In this case, them just allow this woman if you run off her mouth with the most compassion behind it. I don't know if it's because crab already full of shit. See, so ones and ones we eat it, feel like so well then I just shit, I just shit. Unacceptable, Rasta. It's unacceptable. And it just goes to show how far the society gone as a people, whereby a member of the society feel like say them can access, them can do something like that and come back, give all manner excuse what happened. Some infantile excuse when I work, when I make the sense. Shit no come down for nobody so sudden. Say it a come for a little while. Regardless of fucking, and then now you go, yes, the government should have set up facilities there, yes. 100% agree with that. But it's not like the facility was there last night and this morning when you got the facility gone, so it catch you off guard and you never have no existing plan for, when incident like those happen. You see a man, she see a man, I put options night, but she say her niece live there so and she could have guard niece and all them sort of thing there. And very soon after, she start showing the blame on the government now, cause the government should have put up bathroom, cause when she want pee-pee, she have to go in the bush go pee-pee. Why you never go in the bush go shit? When you want shit a while ago, Rasta. He's a nasty woman, man. And you have a dirty mind, a dirty, selfish, egotistic mind. Where you feel like say, your narcissistic mentality or approach towards this thing, when create some level of compassion or full standing, understanding from the crowd. This is wrong. See it. Wrong on so many levels. The fact that the public sit back and it's like this goes to show the level of intelligence where she award to the Jamaican public at large, where she feel like say them little feeble excuse there. It's gonna make any sense. See? It might be so, It might be so. Because like me I say, whisper morals and them things they concern. According to how we know it and according to how most Jamaicans know it, Rasta, it deteriorate way below standard, way below what I and I go and learn as a youth. And it happens speedily, it happens real fast. See, these are the things, Rasta. It's like a herd mentality. From one person seems or sound like, them agree with certain things. You find the whole crowd that run behind that. And I make it look like, say, nasty woman, man. And she must be she must have some psychological issue as well. Really think so well then. Because see her in a social media like she's showing her emotion In terms of how she I try, justify the thing. She still did there talk like she have authority. Like she did hey, man, I tell you, say, see, and the woman who take the video has become the villain. And she, everybody, all the rest of vendor them. And she, them, I say, wrong. See? Because if you protect, you protect the nastiness where go on, so that's the public can still come there, come patronize. You see it? It's not in the interest of the public. It's like, so well then, I tell you, Rasta, evil nastiness, man. And I give thanks still, Rastafari.